Okay, so we are going to be solving for x, and to solve for x, a has to be changing when b is constant. So that's going to be experiment 3 and 1, because a is changing and b is constant. So to solve for x, we're going to be doing rate equals the concentration of a raised to the x power. So to solve for the rate, you're going to put the rate of experiment 3 over the rate of experiment 1 because this number is larger than that one. So you're going to be doing 1.44 by 10 to the negative 6 divided by 1.6 by 10 to the negative 7th, and that gives you an answer of 9. Then you will be solving for the concentration of A, which is going to be 7.2 over 2.4. And that comes out to be 3. So then you're going to plug these numbers into this equation. So this is your concentration, so you're going to plug that in for A. And then you're solving for your X. And then your 9 is going to be your rate. Your A is 3. So we know that 3 squared equals 9. Therefore, your X is going to be 2. Okay? And then we are going to solve for Y. You solve for Y by doing rate equals B to the Y. So in order to solve for B, we need to see when B is changing and A is constant. So that's going to be experiment 1 and experiment 2. It's going to be these two ones because B is changing and A is constant. So that's going to be, you're going to solve for your rate first. So 1.6 by 10 to the negative 7th over 8 by 10 to the negative 8th, because this number is larger than the other one. And that comes from these two over here. And that comes out to be 2. And then you're going to solve for your concentration of B, which is just going to be 4.8 over 2.4. 4.8 divided by 2.4 is 2. So then we're going to plug this into our rate equation. Our rate is 2. 2 equals, our concentration is 2 raised to the y. Y equals 1. And then we're going to solve for our K. So you're going to just pick one of the experiments, and we'll go with experiment number 1. 1.6 by 10 to the negative 7. Molarity over seconds equals K by 2.4 m squared. And 4.8 m1. And you get those exponents from the 2 and the y. So then, just gonna solve this out. Doesn't stop. And then you're gonna divide it out to get 5.79 m over s divided by, I hate you, m cubed over 1. That's what k is gonna equal. And you're gonna do, to solve, to get this simplified, k equals 5.79 by 10 to the negative 9. And then you flip the sign, and then you take the reciprocal of this, times 1 over m cubed. Stop! And then this 3 cancels out. This is to the first, so equals 1 over m squared by s. And your final answer is 5.79 by 10 to the negative 9, 1 over m squared by s. And your reaction order is going to be a third order because you add up your y and your x to equal 3.
Stop.